Hi everyone, I am Anusha CK from Department of ENCE, Bahubali College of Engineering. Now I am going to give presentation on Smart Infant Incubator using IoT. Contents. The contents include introduction, scope, objective, methodology, hardware and software requirement, advantages, application, expected result, and reference papers. Introduction. According to market surveys, in India, every year 26 million infants are born. Out of 26 million, 2.6 million infants are prematurely born with low birth weight. We know that India is the second most populated country in the world and birth rate will be very high. So, out of 26 million, 2.6 million infants are prematurely born with low birth weight. An infant incubator is an apparatus for maintaining an environment of controlled temperature, humidity, and oxygen suitable for a newborn. These low birth weight infants are kept in a chamber referred to as incubators, which have controlled temperature and humidity to provide the same condition as that of the mother womb. It is used for preterm babies or for some ill full-term babies. These incubators are used for maintaining infant, especially a premature infant, and also for some full-term babies. The core body temperature of the infant should be maintained between 29 to 37 degrees Celsius, and infant should be nursed in the neutral thermal environment. This is the picture of the infant incubator. Scope. The existing system in the incubator, they monitor and control the health parameters of the newborn. This prototype automatically displays the data. It displays the data for review by means of LCD. It detects the poisonous gas present in the room. Using gas sensor, it detects toxic gas present in the room. Alert message is sent when the baby is in danger. In case of any abnormality in the incubator, an alert message will be sent to the concerned doctor. The project focuses on movable base setup. Objective. The objective of this project is to safeguard the health condition of the infant, to provide a good baby apparatus, to monitor the newborn endlessly, and to develop movable and wireless setup. Methodology. This project focuses to monitor temperature, humidity, and heartbeat by means of Arduino microcontroller with different sensors such as DHT11 sensor, gas sensor, and heartbeat sensor. It also contains power supply, LCD, GSM, buzzer, IoT, and LED. The DHT11 sensor, gas sensor, heartbeat sensor are given as input to the Arduino, and even power supply is also given to the Arduino. The sensor data will be automatically displayed in the LCD. In case of any danger or abnormality in the incubator, an alert warning message will be sent to the concerned doctor by GSM using IoT. At this time, buzzer gets activated and LED also starts blinking if in case of any abnormality in the incubator. The system senses the temperature, humidity, and heartbeat from temperature, humidity, and heartbeat sensor. The gas sensor detects the poisonous gas present in the room. The sensor data can be checked for every second and it will be displayed in LCD, and these values will be synchronized for every second. The system reads the temperature, humidity and heartbeat in analog data and is fed into the analog to digital converter port of the microcontroller. These converted values will be compared. Converted value means analog to digital converted values will be compared with reference values. If the value is within the present scope, the value will be transmitted to the display result. If the sensor data value is within the reference value, then the value will be automatically sent to the LCD. If the result is outside the scope, a warning is sent to the doctor with sound alarm in the incubator. If the sensor data value is outside the reference value, a warning message will be sent to the doctor. When sense data gets abnormal, buzzer gets activated and LED starts blinking. When the sensor data gets abnormal, automatically buzzer gets activated and LED also starts blinking. Mechanically, SMS is sent to the doctor. If variation occurred in result, it will immediately give alert to the concerned doctor. Flowchart. Firstly, the sensor gather the information. If the temperature ranges between 29 to 37 degrees Celsius and heartbeat ranges between 90 to 180 beats per second, then it would be a normal condition. Then the respective sensor data will be displayed in LCD and the process starts from beginning and it goes on. In case if it fails to attain this condition, the time operation is for each 30 seconds and the timer is for 3 minutes. If it fails to attain this condition, less than 3 minutes means again the process continues from the beginning, and if it fails to attain this condition even after 3 minutes means it would generate a sound alarm. That means buzzer get activated. Immediately an alert message will be sent to the concerned doctor by GSM system. The same alert message will be displayed in LCD. Hardware and software requirements. Hardware requirements. The hardware devices which are used in infant incubator is Arduino Uno, gas sensor, DHT11 sensor which is a temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor, LCD, GSM and LED. The software requirements are Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is required in order to dump the program to the Arduino microcontroller. Embedded C. In Arduino microcontroller, embedded C language is used for programming. Advantages. There are some advantages of infant incubator. They are protection from cold, infection, noise and excess handling of newborn. When babies require transportation, it can be used in case of transportation of babies from one hospital to another hospital in case of any emergency. Observation of very sick infants. When babies are actually unwell and close observation is required, these infant incubators can be used. User-friendly and efficient. It is easy to maintain and has a very good efficiency. Proper timing care can be given to the infant. Application. There are very good application of infant incubator. They are in hospitals. In hospitals, it would require less attend time of doctors. In industry, the principle of this project can be used in industries like plastic, chemical and process. Security application. It has a very good security application since it sends an alert message to the concerned doctor if in case of any abnormality in the incubator. Sensor monitoring. This infant incubator is continuously monitored by sensor. Expected result. Monitor the health condition of premature babies could be achieved. Heart condition and irregular heartbeats could be noticed. Poisonous gas present in the room could be recognized. Our plan system is expected to have alerts in case of any abnormalities. References. These are the few references where we can know what is infant incubator, and reading more on these research papers would increase the knowledge regarding infant incubator. Thank you. Thank you for watching this presentation on Smart Infant Incubator using IoT.